We'll guide you through how to create your own candles using Printify. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Printify website on your desktop and log into your account. If you don't have one, you can easily sign up by clicking on the sign up button and following the instructions. Once logged in, head over to the catalog at the top of the page. In the catalog, you'll see a variety of product categories. Scroll down and locate the home and living section. Click on it and then select candles from the list of products. Now you'll see a range of candle options you can customize. Click on the candle style you prefer. This will take you to the product page where you can see details like size, shape, and other specifications. Here comes the fun part. Click on Start Designing. You'll be taken to the design editor. You can upload your own unique design or use their library of images and patterns. Make sure your design fits well within the guidelines provided on the screen. Adjust, move, or resize your design as needed. Once you're happy with how it looks, click the preview button to see how your candle will appear in real life. If everything looks good, click Save Product. You'll then be prompted to add this product to your store. Choose the store you want to add it to and follow the on-screen instructions to complete this process. It's that simple. You can now offer personalized candles to your customers. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.